We did not start cruising in order to play in the casino. In fact, we barely played at all until last year. But somehow along the way, we got Prime status in the Casino Royale Club, and we also got 13 free cruises that totaled 77 cruise nights. So in this video, we're gonna share with you if we think Prime status is worth it and what it actually cost us. Hi, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Marshall.
And welcome back to the channel. So, first of all, let's take a few minutes to explain what Prime status is and what Casino Royale Club is.
Yes, now this is specific to Royal Caribbean's casino program. It has 4 tiers, starting with choice, meaning, hey, welcome to the club, right? You're playing at a casino. And then when you get a certain level of points, meaning how much you play, and we can talk about that later, you get to certain benefits and certain levels. Level 2 after welcome to choice is Prime, and that's at 5,000 points.
2,500.
2,500 points, you are correct. And then Signature, which is a significant jump up, which is 25,000 points. And then if you get to your highest level, which is Masters, you're at 100,000 points. If you're thinking of Signature and Masters, this isn't the video for you.
Yeah, no.
No, we were very fortunate and very happy to hit Prime.
So to earn points, you first need to use your C-Pass every time you play. Now, the other thing is we need to explain is we do not play table games. So
No.
This entire video and all of our casino videos is really about the slot machines because that is electronically tracked. So they know every penny that you put through the slot machines. So how you earn your points is for every $5 you put through, you earn a point. So if I put in $100, say,
Yeah.
I win some, I lose some. I could play all night and put through like $500 worth of play on that same $100 bill. And sometimes we could cash out and walk away with cash too.
Right.
So it's all about the throughput, not how much you win or how much you lose. So that's how you earn points.
Yeah. It is gambling. So sometimes your throughput's really great and that $100 lasts for days.
Yeah.
Sometimes it can be gone in a half hour.
Yeah.
So, we want to be true to this. This isn't like just easy peasy and you gain points for limited dollars. So again, remember that this is gambling and it isn't for everyone, but we found it to be a really highly successful program for us.
So one of the benefits that you get with Prime is as a Prime member, you get a free annual cruise. So for each of us, we knew that was going to be one of the benefits.
Right.
You also get free drinks in the casino. You get a big discount on Wi-Fi. So there's a bunch of other benefits that also come with Prime. So we will link the page to their website where you can see all the benefits for all the different levels. And we also made other casino videos that we'll also link below in case you're interested in catching up on our story and all the information that we share there.
One benefit of casino play that's not specifically Prime or every level, but as you play a certain amount each time you're on a cruise ship, if you hit a certain level of points, you'll win instant cruises or instant cruise certificates. And that's really how we predominantly kind of cashed in during our trek to Prime.
Yes.
And we'll go through the totals a little bit later, but that's a significant benefit. In addition, especially if you're new to cruising, the marketing department will be like, hey, we want you to come back and play more. So you
lose more.
Lose more, right. Come to our ship.
Yeah.
So marketing-wise, you may get emails or offers in addition to those instant cruise certificates from the amount that you play. So these free nights can add up on your way to Prime. Even if you don't hit Prime, you'll still get them. So it is a nice little perk to playing in the casino.
Now, a lot of these cruises, like when we say we got 13 free cruises, 2 were the annual benefit.
Yes.
And 11 of them were these instant rewards or marketing offers. And always on these instant rewards and marketing offers, they give you a list of ships to choose from, what sailing dates they are. So, luckily, if they fit within your schedule and your location, then that can work out really well.
Right. And these folks are smart, right? If you get to the lowest level where you earn a certificate, you get a few ships, a few dates. If you play more, you get more ships and more dates. I mean, this is always incentivized to play more. They want to make their money. So just realize that at that first level, you may find some great sailings, but it's a smaller list.
Also, we got mostly interior room offers because we're not high rollers. We are not professional gamblers. We just play the slots for fun, and then along the way we got Prime and some free cruises along the way. So we got interior room offers. The other thing that we often do is he'll get an offer, I'll get an offer for an interior room, and we combine them to upgrade to an ocean view room, or sometimes if the price is right, we'll upgrade, pay the difference to get a balcony room. Do you want to talk about the special cruise?
Sure. So of all the cruises that we got for free, there was one time that we were playing and being successful. So our points were getting up there, and we realized by looking on that list that we had a balcony level. You were really doing well.
Very well.
And that I also had an ocean view cruise certificate. So combining that got us a junior suite. Then we looked up and saw that the junior suites were the same price, actually a little bit more expensive than the grand suites. So when we called to book the junior suite, we mentioned that, and Casino Royale's agent was like, well, we can actually get you a grand suite. So we were highfalutin on that sailing.
Yes, that was a nice long weekend.
It was definitely a lot of fun. I mean, that's rare, but you have to just look at those deals, and it adds value to your casino play.
Now let's get to the part everybody wants to know about, is how much did it actually cost us for these free cruises?
Okay, and I need to say, we were surprised on many levels. The first level is they provide you with a win-loss statement at the end of the year, and I was kind of surprised that we had spent a total between us $4,728.24. Now that's a net of the winnings and losings, but at the end of the day, our wallet, our purse, was down that amount. Now we were hoping when making this with the video that we would be able to tell you that this was worth it. So let's go to the next level. How much did we actually gain in value from that amount?
When you add it all up between the instant rewards, the marketing offers, and then also those 2 free cruises that we got for reaching Prime level, we received $18,230 worth of free cruises.
Yeah, I was a little worried, but now I'm not so worried. I was surprised by that amount.
Yes, I was too. Once you total it all up, you're like, wow. I mean, we're just looking at the next cruise, you know what I mean? So when you look at it over the span of the entire time, it adds up pretty quickly. So when you subtract what we actually lost from that number, we netted in benefit $13,551.76. That math is mathing.
That is actually mathing for sure. There are other small benefits, as you mentioned, being Prime, that we didn't want to add to because a drink here, drink there, a discount on internet, it would not change that bottom line too much. So there are other benefits, but I was shocked to see how much we saved on those cruises.
Now, the free is a loaded word, right? These are free cruises, but you must always, always, always pay your taxes and port fees. That is a given, and that you actually pay for. It's not free. You give them a credit card number and they charge you for the taxes and fees for all of these cruises. And the port fees are usually around $150 to $200 per person for the cruise, depending on the sailing, the itinerary, where your actual port stops are.
Yeah. Don't feel bad for the cruise line or the casino folks because they're pretty smart. And these are additional rooms that typically they don't sell out. So they get to fill them. And, you named port fees, taxes, but let's face it, we are probably going on excursion. We may book dining.
Yeah.
So, there is additional money that we spend that they wind up collecting.
Sure.
So it really is a win-win situation. So was it worth it? Well, I think you can see by our faces we're thinking yes, but there are some caveats we should mention.
First of all, let's be honest. Number one, if you do not enjoy gambling or, taking a risk in that machine or at that table game, it's not worth it. You're going to be miserable. You could lose a lot of money. And, for us, we were going to play anyway. We had our little $8 of free play. And then we're like, oh, let's put $20 in. And then we found we actually enjoyed it. We like to sit together and play and have fun.
Yeah, we have a budget. We really try to stick to that budget because we know there's a slippery slope here. We don't try to chase prime.
Right.
We're fortunate to sail enough where we can have a small budget and over the course of the year hit prime and get these rewards.
Yeah.
But it's not for everyone, for sure.
Right. Yeah, we do set a budget before we even get on that sailing. So that's, I think, the smart way to go. And then you just walk away when your bankroll's gone.
Yes. Now, we live close to 4 major ports in Florida. So when we see these deals, we don't have to factor in airplane tickets and hotel stays.
Yeah.
So again, this makes these deals worth it for us. If you're somewhere in the middle of the country and a long trip from these ports, you'll have to factor in whether these tickets and additional costs make this really worth it for you.
Yeah. We just have gas and parking fees for our car, so that's not bad. Number 4, we just genuinely love cruising. We have been on over 43 cruises now.
Yes.
40, yeah. Maybe, I don't know. We're going on another one next weekend. So we've been on a lot of cruises. We love cruising. This gave us 13 more cruises to go on, 77 additional nights on board a ship. We get to go to new ports, visit new ships, do ship tours for you, and we just love it. So for us, that's an additional thing that makes it worth it for us.
Yeah, I was just thinking when you're saying makes it worth it, for us, even playing a half hour between dinner and the show, it fills a nice little gap. And we take a walk around the ship, play a little, and then see a show. It fits nicely in our cruise style. So it works, like you said, it works for us.
So if you like the casino, you cruise often, you can be disciplined and set a budget. It can be absolutely worth it. The annual certificate alone pays for itself. It did for us.
I mean, it's an interior room, but it's 7 days for 2 people, and not all, but the majority of their sailings are open for you to use the certificate. It's really a great bargain, a great perk.
But if you're trying to game the system for a cheap vacation, you're probably better off doing something else. This probably isn't your best option.
Agreed.
If you have questions about any of this, the points, the offers, how you can book the free cruises, whatever, drop those in the comments below. We read all of our comments. Also, let us know if you're a Club Royale member and if you're working toward Prime, or maybe you're a Signature or Master.
Yeah, and we'll see. We're right now sitting at 0 points for the next year, so we are beginning our Prime adventure for this upcoming year. So we'll keep you updated.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.